Well, good afternoon, good morning, or wherever you may be. Good day. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a bit of a detour. Instead of doing equipment, we're going to focus on the old Tahoe today. It's about time that I finished up some things on it, so I figured I'd bring you along. As you can see here, we have the factory tow hooks, the plates, the bolts, and the bolts that are to the Z71 and or ground designs brush guards, and we can talk about those a bit later. They're a bit different, but as you can see, these have been rebuilt, but it'll be a nice little addition to clean up the front of the Tahoe. Alright, let's get under there and throw these on. Alright, so down on the ground in front of the old unit here, you can see here this plate, which is where the bolts or the stud nuts pass through, sits right up in here. And then swinging around the bottom, see right here and here are your two bolt holes. So you slide the plate in from the top. Take a relative guess because, hey, nothing's going to be perfect the first time. And kind of like that. And then you hold your tow hook up, start your bolts, run them in with an 18mm socket. Now, speaking of those bolts, here, where are we? There they are. Okay, so these bolts, they are not specific to the tow hooks, I found out. They share the bumper bolts and the box bolts. So if you're finding yourself running short on bolts or questioning where you can get them, hit the local records yard and try those two sources as well. They're an 18mm head, and that's what I've done here. A couple of these are box bolts. I think this one, but yeah, with this kind of damage on it, that was a box bolt because the truck it was on, the box was loose. But it's going to work for the purposes we're doing here. And as you can see how thick these tow hooks are, that area with a little wear on it's not going to affect anything. All right, let's get this in. All right, let's see if I can first try this. I doubt it, but you never know. I don't know if you can see this, but these are not flat. They have a flat surface on the one side and they're kind of tapered. So flat to the frame rail because the frame rail is actually angled up. And it's pointy side out to the tire. Alright, it's simple rinse and repeat onto the other side. I won't show you that, but we'll take a look after it's done. See you in a sec. So with that on, you can see the rebuild wasn't the best on them, but, you know, minus the darkness there, sorry. Yeah, it looks way better. It looks far more complete. So I'm happy with that. But now let's go check out that factory Z71 brush guard I was telling you about and why those stud nuts or studs are used instead of the bolts. Okay, so out of the garage here. This is the factory Z71 Tahoe well, not even just Tahoe, Z71 brush guard for the OBSs. It came on the truck. I didn't want to punch holes in the bumper because we replaced it for these mounts. I can't bring myself to do that to a new part. Oh, look. Hey. Freya, Kip, and a 1-ton. Nice. Nice distractions. Anyways, back to what we were talking about. These studs, and why they're different. Well, it's because they go through here instead of the bolts. So it would be nut. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Kip. Oh, distractions. Oh, distraction kisses. Oh, boy. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, boy. So, anyways, back to it. Woohoo, back into focus. So it goes nut, tow hook, then this plate, brush guard, and onto the frame rail with the plate inside the frame rail. So, imagine your tow hook there. That's why these are so long and different. Oh, there's a Kip. Oh, hi, buddy. Okay, thank you. Oh, thank you. Yes. Oh, hi. Okay. Well, I think he says that's enough explaining things. We will. Okay. Alrighty. Well, that was a quick, simple project. It's hard to see now, but I don't know. I think that really ties the front end of these 4x4s up. Really makes them look complete. Nice factory finish. I really like that. Anyways, I got to clean this garage. This is a mess. But before I do that, a couple quick things. I do have CK parts for sale. Hit me up on Instagram. I'll post my my tag there in the description. And I'll ship internationally, wherever. It doesn't really matter. We'll just figure that out in price. Like it is what it is. It's not a big deal. I don't mind at all helping keep more CKs on the road. And this girl right here, this beautiful, beautiful machine here, she is for sale. It's listed on Kijiji, but again, hit me up on the old Insta there, and I can get you some details. It's a clean title vehicle. It can go across the line into the U.S. if you want. That's not a problem. But yeah, hit up either the ad on Kijiji or my Instagram, and we can talk about coming to view it and other stuff like that. Anyways, I better get on this garage because good lord. Thanks again for hanging out. Hope you learned something, even though it might be a real small thing. And we'll catch you on the next video. Take care. There we go. Quick shot. The front now that the tow hooks are in place. That looks so much more complete. So much better. Okay. Enough distractions. Back to what I gotta do. Clean the garage. Yay! The fun.